Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change ASOS Fit Assistant information. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to asos.com. Now guys, when you're here you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to ASOS. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to ASOS videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official asos.com website where we have a lot of different things that you can do. So this is the website where you can go and find stuff and clothes for yourself. So we have the women menu where you can go and see sales, new things in clothing, trending, dresses, shoes, accessories, face and body, etc, etc. You also have the men's section, where as you can see you also have the sales, new in clothing, trending, shoes, accessories, brands, sportswear, etc, etc. Also you can see here we have discounts for men, discounts for women. And guys, in the top right corner you can go to the marketplace and change the language of the website and the currency. And in the top right corner also you have everything about your account. So you have your sign out option, your account, your orders, return information, and the contact preferences. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change ASOS Fit Assistant information. Well, first of all, you need to click on find your Fit Assistant size next to the size dropdown, which is when you go on any of the article that you want, and then just fill in your details, adjust the bits of information you provided, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.